Welcome to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. In today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort and take you on a tour of where we're staying for this trip. Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort is one of Walt Disney World's moderate resorts and is made up of 5 island villages, each named after a different Caribbean island: Barbados, Jamaica, Martinique, Aruba and Trinidad. Each village has its own unique charm with different colours, theming and facilities, making every area of the resort feel a little different. Last summer, we stayed in Aruba, which is located right next to Disney's Riviera resort and is just a short walk from the Riviera Skyliner station. If you haven't seen our summer 2025 Disney vlogs, make sure you check them out as they're all now live on our YouTube channel and we share everything we loved about staying there and all the benefits of that location. Caribbean Beach also offers some fantastic complimentary activities throughout your stay. In the mornings, you may even spot Disney characters greeting guests around the lobby area at Old Port Royale, with appearances from favourites such as Mickey, Daisy, Goofy and even Pluto. Families with younger children can also enjoy the playground on Caribbean Cay, the resort's central island, which is a lovely place to let little ones burn off some energy. In the evenings, there's movies under the stars from around 8:30 p.m, as well as a campfire with toasted marshmallows in Martinique from around 6 p.m. When booking Caribbean Beach Resort, Disney lets you request a preferred village, but it's important to remember that requests are never guaranteed. As a family of 5, we always book a 5th sleeper room, and these large rooms are only available in certain villages, so our room location is often decided by availability. This trip, we've been lucky enough to stay in Trinidad. Like each of the island villages, Trinidad has its own distinctive look, with beautiful terracotta-coloured buildings that really give this area a warm Caribbean feel. Trinidad is the furthest village from Old Port Royale, which is home to the main lobby and check-in, the featured pool, Centretown Market, quick service restaurant, Calypso trading post and the main pin trading location. For us though, that's never really been an issue because we spend most of our time in the Disney parks. Trinidad is made up of 6 accommodation blocks and we're staying in block 35. There are refillable mug stations in blocks 34 and 38, making it easy to top up your drinks without heading across the resort. One of the biggest advantages of staying here is Spyglass Grill, which is a fantastic quick service option right in Trinidad. It serves breakfast from 7 until 11 a.m, then reopens from 11:30 until 10 p.m. for snacks, lunch and dinner. With mobile ordering available, it makes it really convenient for grabbing food without walking over to Old Port Royale. If you're looking for a sit-down dining experience, don't forget to try Sebastian's Bistro at Old Port Royale. We visited here last summer and absolutely loved it. The family-style service, the variety of dishes and the quality of the food made it a really enjoyable meal and, in our opinion, great value for money. Please feel free to check out our vlog of our last series, as we do have a vlog dedicated to Sebastian's Bistro. Trinidad also has its own quiet pool, just like all the other locations. It's open daily from 7 a.m. until 11 p.m. Like all the quiet pools around Caribbean Beach Resort, it has complimentary life jackets, plenty of sun lounges, although there are no lifeguards on duty, so that's one thing to make sure you know. Every island village has its own bus stop, and depending on the route, Trinidad can either be the first stop before the bus travels around the resort or the last stop before heading straight to the parks. Although Trinidad is the furthest village from Old Port Royale, it's actually directly opposite the main Disney Skyliner hub, and we can even see the Skyliner from our room across the lake. It's our favourite way to travel to Epcot and Hollywood Studios and one of the biggest reasons we were so excited to stay in Trinidad. Thankfully, this time we've been allocated one of the beautifully refurbished Little Mermaid-themed 5th sleeper rooms, so let's head inside and take a look around. It's the mermaid room!
Oh, it's not new though.
Look at this!
That smells wrong.
Welcome to the Stafford family. Right, so we've just come into our room and the lady was right. It is one of the newly refurbed Little Mermaid type themes. She did say you won't see Ariel, but you will see her Little Mermaid and friends. So we've got here, so you've got a nice little minty green sofa, but then this is your actual pull down bed. So we'll pull that down now to show. Yeah, it should do. No, I think it all goes down on top. That's it, keep going, it just moves. Okay, pull that out then.
Put it towards me.
That's it. Super duper. And that is your bed. Amazing. And then you've got like a little table then, have we? Perfect. Then we've got a nice little mermaid. Oh, flounder, look, Nancy. There. Wait there, I'm going to come round to here. We've got a bedside table with our Hey Disney. There. And then we've got our main bed. And if I just turn around here, we've got this one, which is actually then the 5th sleeper. Just wait for your dad a second. So So this is the 5th sleeper. So it is like a bench seat. Come out the way, look. And it has got drawer space. Nice little shelf up there. And then your dad will come and he'll pull this down to show us the 5th sleeper. Out the way, darling. And look, there's another mermaid scene as well. Sebastian. Got the big telly, welcome to the Stafford family. And then we've got even more storage, even more drawers. And then in this one, I believe there's a little mini fridge in there. 1 second. Bin, drawers, again, Michelle's coffee machine. That is a top tip. Dan will make a coffee from here every morning and take it out in these takeaway cups. That is really good. This looks bigger.
This is bigger.
This is a much bigger size than the other one we had. And then obviously you've got all of the mermaidy theme. The sliding doors there to cover that area. And you've still got the little bedside shelves, which I think actually are quite dangerous, but that's just my opinion there.
Also a nice painting.
Oh yeah, Flounder and Sebastian are in the toilet, guys. It's so clean. So clean, toilet, shower, and then obviously this is what I love. All of your sea salt, conditioner, shampoo, nice bath and shower up there. And then you've obviously got the line that comes out to dry your swimsuits. This is all brand new as well. Double sinks. Here, double sinks, space for towel. Another drawer in here, that's going to be useful for swimsuits. Some shelves, got a hairdryer, another drawer up there, hanging. And then we've got some hanging space, extra pillow, ironing board as well, and a huge mirror. Woo! This is amazing, you guys. And then I will say one thing that I love actually is the view. Got a lovely full length mirror there, but look at the view. So that opposite us, just there, is actually the Caribbean Beach Skyliner hub, and you can see the Skyliner is coming in and out there. Last time we came, we actually stayed in Aruba, completely the other side. So that is going to be our closest way to get to Hollywood Studios and Epcot now.
We're right next to Spyglass Grill.
And we're right next to Spyglass Grill that we were actually planning on eating at, knowing that we're staying here because we haven't eaten there before. So this is brilliant. So Harrison's just, so what will happen is we'll have Harrison and Barkley sharing here, me and Dan up there, and then Nancy will be here. Really good. Absolutely true. What do you guys think's the room?
Good.
Do you know what it looks? It's so much more airy, isn't it? Light and airy than the other one we stayed in.
Can we take our shoes off?
Yeah, absolutely. We don't put our shoes on the beds.
We've got this big side to actually
Put stuff on. Yeah. So we can do a little bit of.
Whoa.
just more storage.
That's just more storage, Barkley.
Storage.
Careful. And I love the scenes. They look lovely. Nice big fan. And I just love how when you come in it says welcome Stafford family. I mean that is cool. Got some switches. And I do actually like this shelf as well.
Yeah.
They've sort of like definitely got the most out of the space. But to be fair, from what the other rooms like, they've kept the curtains the same. But they've lightened it all up, haven't they?
It's more flex.
It does. And you can keep that as a sofa if you want
The
to.
wood is a lighter colour, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, and they've just painted, I think they've just painted stuff. The bathroom looks brand new.
Yeah, it's brand new, isn't it?
But yeah, they are really good at maximising the space, and obviously that's the door area. So yeah, so we're really pleased. We're gonna see if we can freshen up a little bit now, maybe have a sit down for half hour, and then see what we're gonna get up to. See you soon.